Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we will show you how to complete domain verification in Zoho Books. Verifying your domain helps improve email deliverability, protect your brand identity, and keep your invoices and client communications secure. Let's start from the Zoho Books dashboard. We go to your settings. To access the settings, just click the gear button on the right side of your page. After clicking this, we go to Organization Settings. Under the Organization section, you will see Custom Domain. Click on it, then select Map Custom Domain. Once you agree to the terms, click OK, got it, and then select your domain, for example, My Shines. If this is correct, click Next. If you enter an invalid domain, such as shinebookstore.com, and there is no active plan, you cannot continue. Once you have an active plan, just click Next, and you can verify your domain. This is how we complete domain verification in Zoho Books. After verifying your domain, always test your email notifications to make sure everything is working properly.